A very good morning, students. So, today we will make a first aid box for our home. So, in this video, we need a shoe box to make a first aid box. Okay. So, firstly, take any shoe box available at your home. After that, take two white chart papers. You have to paste white chart papers on the cardboard box, means you have to cover the box with white chart paper. Okay. And yes, you can't take the colorful chart papers, you have to take only white chart paper for this. With the help of Favicol, you can paste white chart paper on the box to cover it, like this is done in the video, from all the sides. Our third side is done, and now it is our last side, which is fourth side. Now we are pasting it, and this is also done. Okay, you can take help of your parents to complete it. After that, we will stick a paper on the bottom of the box. Okay, then we will cover the lid of the box. Okay, not only the bottom portion, but the lid of the box should also be covered with the white chart paper. Do it in a very neat and clean way. Take help of your elder brother or sister or your parents and paste it with the help of Favicol. Now our box is ready and we can cover it like this. After that, students, we will make some partitions in the box with the help of the same cardboard. You can use any type of cardboard at your home, and you have to cover it with white chart paper also, so that our box looks neat and clean. You can cover it like this. Look, they are ready. And after that, we have to take electric tape of red color. Mostly you have seen a black color, but here we need a electric tape of red color. You have to paste on the edges of the box. Okay, like this, on the edges of the box. We are here pasting on the bottom edge. After that, we will paste on the top edge of the box. Yes, like this. Okay, it is done. We will make a sign of plus here with the help of red tape. It shows that it is a first aid box. To make up, you should make a plus sign here. Okay, after that, on the lid of it, again you have to paste red tape here on the lid also. Okay, like this. Yes, it is done. Then on the upper side also, we will paste red tape on the edges. You have to make a boundary. You can say we have to make a boundary with the help of red tape. After that, we will put the partitions in them. Firstly, we will look how they will paste, and after that we will paste them with the help of glue gun, or you can use Fevicol also, in whatever you feel comfortable, in whatever you have. Okay, so you have to paste it to make partition in the box like this. Okay, now our box is ready. To make it strong, we have to paste it from there also. Yes, now we will take any red paper and make a circle of this shape, of this size, and then paste it with the help of Fevicol on the lid of the box. After that, two stripes of white color we will paste here to make again plus sign here, like this. Now this is first aid box, and then we will stick our tape here also. It strengthens the box also, and it will look good also. Then here students, we have to write first aid box. For this we will make two lines so that our words should not be big or small. Then we will write first aid box. This should be in the capital letters, and then you will write with red sketch pen. Okay, it is must that you have to use only red sketch. Now our box are ready. Then we will put some essentials like cotton, bandage, scissors we had discussed in the class now, Savlon or Dettol, these are antiseptic solutions, betadine for any wound or injury, muscle ointment for muscle pain, Jandu balm, you all know about this. Then this is WHO ORS for loose motions. Then thermometer should be there to check the temperature of the body. Ceridon for headache, Eno for gas, Band-Aid, Pudin Hara, all the important medicines like paracetamol, some antibiotic, and stomachache also, Vicks Vaporub, Iodex, small things which are required at our home we will put in the first aid box for cold and cough, for fever, for stomachache, and for headache, everything. Okay, then some earbuds also. Okay, some more tablets are here. So our first aid box is complete. So first aid box should be at home every time. Medical tape also. Okay, so it should be at home for any emergency, any kind of immediate help. We should have first aid box at home. You have to make it at your home for emergency situations. Okay, all the important necessary items should be kept in it.